Ever fought a battle against cache invalidation chaos while your servers scream under traffic spikes? You're not alone. Backend devs, DevOps engineers, and cloud architects waste hours juggling Redis TTLs, CDN purge APIs, and browser cache headers that fight each other. This pack fixes that mess with Redis cluster auto-scaling policies that adapt to traffic patterns, CloudFront Akamai dual CDN blueprints with failover, versioned asset mapping for browser cache control headers, and Prometheus/Grafana dashboards tracking hit rates across all tiers. No more caching is hard excuses. Let's make your system run smoother than a freshly primed Redis cache. Here's what's inside the caching strategy pack. Redis cluster configuration wizard with live resharding during traffic surges. CDN integration blueprints handling AWS CloudFront signed URLs and Akamai property manager configs. Browser cache control engine generating cache control headers with semantic versioning tied to asset bundles. Prometheus metrics exporter tracking stale while revalidate rates and CDN origin shield utilization. Grafana dashboards visualizing cache tier performance side by side. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Your days of manual cache flakiness are officially over. Installing the caching strategy pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add caching strategy pack. That's it. You get Redis cluster Terraform modules, CDN WAF integration playbooks, browser cache versioning middleware, and pre-built Prometheus alerting rules. Your next Claude code session picks up the Redis Lua scripting patterns automatically. Your AI assistant now knows CloudFront cache behaviors and Grafana panel configurations. No servers were harmed, but latency definitely was. Ready to stop fighting caches and start mastering them?